the herbs you said we were going to get for your mother?
If I vex that palace, I will just go there like this. I'll 50,000 for I'll point, I'll burn everywhere. Yeah, snake!
You get his head, I give you a maiden as a wife.
The gods are angry.
Oh, shut up!
I am scared about what is going to go down.
Why exactly?
My brother is the most interesting man I've ever known.
My king, you're in a very big problem.
That's the
language of the gods.
The king did not tell me that people are coming to play football in front of my house.
Is he your husband? Big city man is mine. Why are you sounding as if you own him?
Welcome to Umaya's kingdom.
You're very stupid.
Hey, yeah.
Don't come close to my business.
Oh yeah.